Rosemont family, we are very ready to see you next week. In this video, we're going to show you how to log into Zoom and Google Classroom using your QR code that your teacher sent on ClassDojo. If you have not received the QR code, please watch this video until the very end because I will explain there how to log in using the username and password. The QR code looks like this on your phone. And if you have it there already and you happen to have a printer at home, please try to print it for your students so that they have it on paper. The first thing we do is we're going to click next, and we're going to see a camera there. I'm going to show the QR code there. You see how fast that was? We're going to start on Clever now. So instead of using username and password, just show your QR code for a faster login. When it says all set, you click on get started, and now it's going to send you automatically to the Clever portal. Right there, we're going to find Google Classroom, and it's right here already because it is one of my favorite resources, so it means that I click on the icon. If it's not there at the top already, you're going to find it right here, so you have to scroll down for student tools, and Google Classroom is right here. Again, for you to make it your favorite resources and have it always at the top of the screen, make sure that you click on the heart icon for favorite. I'm going to open Google Classroom there. And now you have to go to your child's homeroom teacher. In this case, I'm going to use 3F as an example. I click there, and teachers have already set their Zoom link at the top of their posts, so you just have to click there. Join Zoom meeting, and there's a click here. You're going to see a screen for Zoom, and right here you have to type the student's name. In this case, I'm just going to type my name as an example, Miss Cortez. But make sure again that this is your student's name. It's the one that teachers are going to see on their screen. Click on join, and you're going to see this message every time. It's going to say, please wait for the host to start this meeting. This is not an error. There's nothing wrong with it. It just means that you have to wait for the teacher to accept your invitation so you can see each other on the video call. Okay, if you don't have the QR code, then your computer to log in is going to look like this. It's going to ask for an email or phone and the password too. The email is your username, and for all the students in the district is their launch ID. So it's normally 6 digits or 7 digits at times. I'm just going to put as an example this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is just my example. Again, you're going to use the launch ID of your student at dallasisd.org. So this is going to be my username. You can see here the launch ID at dallasisd.org. In the password is going to be always a capital S and the same launch ID. So you can see it here, capital S and the launch ID. I cannot log in using this one because it doesn't actually exist, but your students should know or should remember their launch ID. In case you don't, please text your teacher on ClassDojo to get it. Thank you very much for watching, and we hope to see you next week.